In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a Google Ads ad schedule, which will allow you to run your Google Ads during specific days and times. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to optimize your ad exposure according to your target audience's habits efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring you understand each part clearly. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in Google Ads, or directly navigating to ads.google.com. Once there, you'll be greeted with options for both new and returning users. If you're a returning user, simply click on the Sign In button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account associated with your advertising efforts. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home interface. Here you'll see an overview of your current campaigns, their performance, and numerous options to explore. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on modifying your ad schedule. From this overview page, locate the menu on the left-hand side. Within this menu, you'll find the Campaigns tab. Click on it. This tab gives you access to all the details of your current advertising campaigns. Within the campaign settings, there are several options available. For setting a schedule, you need to select audiences, keywords, and content. This option allows you to further tailor your ad settings. It's important here to ensure everything is aligned with your campaign's strategic goals and audience specifications. Once you've got that done, the next step is to find and click on Ad Schedule. This will navigate you to a dedicated interface where you configure when exactly your ads should appear. Here's where things get interesting. By selecting the Schedule option, you'll be able to set specific time blocks for each day of the week. Decide which days and times make the most sense for your audience. Consider the time zone of your target market to ensure your ads are scheduled for optimal visibility. For example, if you notice higher engagement on weekdays during the morning hours, you'd want to prioritize your ads around that time. And don't worry if your first schedule isn't perfect. The flexibility of Google Ads allows you to test, adjust, and perfect your schedule as you gather more data on how your audience interacts with your ads. Regularly review your analytics to see how your ads perform during different times and adjust your schedule as needed. This proactive approach will help optimize not just the visibility of your ads, but also their return on investment. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your Google Ads ad schedule. With just a few clicks, you can control when your ads appear and ensure they're reaching your audience at the most effective times. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your ad campaigns.